Yo, what's going on, people? It's your boy Musical D. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, despite we're still in a bit of a lockdown. Right now I've got a bit of an issue, which is my beard. So obviously we're in tier 4, so that means all the cosmetic, beauty kind of places are shut, which means the barber's shut. So I can't really get a shape up right now. I'm just heading to PCC, which is a hair and beauty shop. I'm gonna pick up a new set of clippers. I've currently got the WAHL Sterling 5 ones. We have to wear a mask everywhere we go, so I've got to get this on now. Shout out to my bro DWE on the mask. Blooker. But yeah, catch you on the other side. So this is what the clipper looks like. It's got the on and off switch underneath. And I've got my beard oil here. And I've got my afro comb. First thing you want to do, get the afro comb and comb out your beard. So it's good to pull the skin down and drag away from it as well. So I see a lot of barbers have baby powder as well. They put some into their hands and they run the blade through it. I don't know if that's to see what you're doing or if it's to soften the blow, like from the blade being so sharp to cut your skin. Zero gap. Black cast oil.